large, large.
Large.
Yeah, so where your tongue sits, right, in your mouth when you're going large.
Large.
Right. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you feel the positioning? Because that's the thing.
Yeah.
You want to get the same position when you say the word large in the word hello and the word well. Because, I mean, obviously I'm over enunciating. My face is probably looking ridiculous, but to get that L sound, you need to make sure that the positioning when you say the word large, hello, well, is all sitting in that heavy L sound. Well, maybe.
Well, maybe.
You.
You.
Good. It sounded a little bit Valley Girl, but I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, it's an American accent, but we don't want to be like, oh, you, it seems it's so clear. You know, we're not going there. But in terms of just starting that, you seem so clear. Yeah, exactly like that. But then obviously, you know, you seem so clear about things. You seem.
You seem.
Good. So clear.
So clear.
Perfect. About things.
About things.
Yep. So on the word about, what I want you to do is you just, if you've got the script printed in front of you,
yeah,
2 little brackets around that T, so that you don't enunciate that T. So it's the T pops in behind the teeth. So like on the word toilet, the word toilet, you're not going toilet. You're just popping it in behind. So the word about, that T just stops behind the teeth. About things.
About things.
So you've got your quite heavy I sound. Things. Okay, so you're so clear. You seem so clear about things.
You're so clear about things.